In this video, I'm just going to show you how to publish 100 plus blog posts without manual work. Now, what you want to do is you want to use a tool like Arwa. The link will be in the description. So first, there is a separate section called blog automation with the AI SEO agent. Click here, go to the feeds, and what you need to do is click on create feed and click on set up a keyword, and here fill in the information, and you will get a populate the keywords. The agent will automatically fetch the keywords right here, the best keywords. Go into the integrations, click on create integrations, connect your CMS. Once you connect your CMS, the domain will show up. Once you do that, you can use Site Optimizer to update your content, update your domain on whatever your domain has issues, website has issues. It will analyze, the agent will analyze and recommend to you. Click on campaign, click on new campaign, and fill in all the details and run the campaign. And this is how your configuration should look like. So make sure you select, pause the video and do that. And here you start auto blog. That's it.